鞋子这样子，有没有老板买给我？
啊。是吗？是。
Middle Age time and to the Roman times. And every city or garden, you know, for them to have their evening strolls. It's very unique, alright, and because of the language, it's very romantic. And people are warmer, they are not as arrogant as the French or the Swiss. Alright, the Swiss are the most arrogant amongst the European country, and the Norwegian, the Swedish, the Scandinavian countries are. Because number one, their country is very prosperous, and also if you talk about like Swiss, you know, and Scandinavian countries, you know. So when you say racism, I wouldn't use the word racism because it's famous for its honey. Okay? So if you buy the honey is known as the honey. So a lot of Japanese come here and buy the honey. Okay, the costa is honey. Because the costa gold minerals inside. Valencia is home to paella, okay, home to citrus fruits, oranges as you can see. Okay, paella is very famous over here, so you can later we will be having paella. On the sea, this is the seashore where we're traveling right now. So this area are all reclaimed land. 可以看到啊，这边我们走的啊，它的海是这边到这边来，右手边那个 fence 这边，然后呢，你现在过的是以前的突然的那个河流。那200年前在这边呢，那突然河流呢，曾经淹到整个市区，所以他把这个突然河流把它移到外面去，所以在这边没有淹水哦。所以它现在的突然的那个 river bed 呢，就变成了他们的花园，他们的 park， 傍晚他们去散步，这样子。Then they have usually it happen on the third Wednesday of August. Every year on the same day at the inn. You know ketchup, it's Cantonese, ketchup, right? It's added into English. Today it become ketchup. So this is known as the New English. Okay, so well, English is divided into 3. Middle Age time and to the Roman times. And every city, alright, you'll notice in Spain, every city there will be a pedestrian or garden, you know, for them to have their evening strolls. Okay, that's their habit and their culture. Before dinner, they go for the evenings. Oh my God, I say that's the most expensive spice. Valencia is home to the Spanish paella, Spanish fried rice. We're coming to the city center now. You can see that these are basically most of the buildings are dated back from the 80s, the 90s, and when we came in, those were the year 2000. As we gradually go into the city center, we are looking at dated back from the Roman times, from basically from the Middle Age time and to the Roman times. Because if things break down, you know, to get a get someone to repair it, you know, well, you have to make an appointment. Handyman, if you are a handyman, you come here and work, I tell you, you make big money because it's very, very expensive to get handyman to fix your bike, to fix your tap, you know. Well, maybe bearing in mind that, you know, the handyman is very well paid here. And on top of that, it's very much wanted, it's in high demand. Because not forgetting that handyman usually they are, you know, sometimes they tell you, okay, 2 p.m. you arrive, but at 2 p.m. would probably takes about 2 months down the road before they turn up at your doorstep. 100 years ago, so they actually rechanneled the River Turia outside the city. That's why here it wasn't flooded. Okay, on your left and right now it turned into a park. Okay, for the evening stroll. 我们现在过的是以前的 Turia 的那个河流。那200年前在这边呢，那 Turia 河流呢，曾经淹到整个市区，所以他把这个 Turia 河流把它移到外面去，所以在这边没有淹水哦。因为它现在这个 Turia 的那个 riverbed 呢，就变成了他们的花园，他们的 park。然后傍晚他们去散步，这样子。Okay, then they have a Gulliver restaurant to have a lunch, right? Okay, after which they will allow you to take photos, and on your left you can see this is for paseos. On your left you can see this is for evening strolls as well. This it's a very green city in Valencia. All right, they have all the parks and pedestrian. These are painted orange. 左手边这是古城那里 This is to beautify the city. The orange in the city is painted orange. 这些城哦是古城来的哦，是白美的，是很酸的。Okay. Okay, here we are. We have arrived. Well, we won't be seeing our bus. Make sure you have your water bottle with you, because.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Si quieres hablar con tu amiga o cogerlos y una vez aquí al lado uno.
Mus, 入去一食飯。这个酸红鸡啊，
整个往上一个。
来啦，風啊！ 水东吗？
I don't know any other city except Gotham City. He's related again to the king James the First of Aragon, the one with the Thank you.
Like, what's the
because we don't have chance to cross on us, and next green, I don't want to
你问一些问题，问一些问题，他就会回答。
If you look around, you can see all these buildings, they have a, you don't have old, really old buildings, all the buildings. For Valencia, it's absolutely bad buildings. All the buildings are silent.
Thank